Okay, so here we are in a shower. We're going to show you how to use grout-eez. It's not real easy in the shower because gravity has a way of pulling the grout-eez down to the ground, but we always recommend putting a towel over the drain so everything doesn't run into your drain. As you can see here, the caulk is not in good shape. One of the big reasons we're here is we're going to clean all this and we're going to seal it, but we're also going to rip out this caulk. We always suggest ripping out the caulk and then replacing it. So all you do is you take your grout-eez and you always work in sections. Okay, this is a pretty big shower. Some have bigger, some have smaller, it doesn't really matter. But you work in sections so it doesn't run all the way down and you lose all your grout-eez. But we always just recommend, as you can see, it foams up right when it hits it. And it's running down already. And it's going to, there's no way to stop that. So we kind of work quick when we're doing showers. We take our brush, it comes with a 2-bottle kit. If you don't have one, you can use a little brush, you can use a toothbrush. We just don't like to work that hard, to tell you the truth. So we always just kind of scrub the lines. And let's say it dries out like it has dried out. You just dip your brush into what's run down onto the floor and get it back up on there. If your tiles have some soap scum on it, this is meant for ceramic and porcelain tile. You just spray it all over the tile. It's not going to hurt anything. And just scrub those tiles also. I'm left-handed, I'm trying to do this right-handed, so I apologize. But that's it. It's sat for a few minutes. I would go and do more of this shower, and then I would rinse, but I'm just going to show you how to do it quick. So, I would take my handheld shower head if you have one. If not, you can direct it towards the wall, however you want to do it, but these are great. If you don't have a handheld shower head, you can bring in a pressure washer gun. If you got the pressure washer outside, you can run it through a window and you can blast it off. You can take a spray bottle full of water and then wipe it down and just let it dry. Just turn this on and rinse it off. You can kind of see it, and then you let it go down the drain. You can see it coming off of there, and it's easy as that. You see how dark this is compared to here because now it's wet. When this dries, it will be all nice and light. We'll come back and show you how all this looks when it's all done. We'll show you how it looks when we've ripped out this caulk. Taking out this caulk will take about 10 minutes, maybe 20. It all depends on how it's going to come out of there. We're going to replace it all, show you how it looks when it's done. Okay, we're back. It's been a couple hours. We cleaned everything. You can see it's all back. There's no soap scum on here. All the grout-eez took it off. The grout's pretty much back to the color it was. It's a little darker now because after we cleaned it, we sealed it with our penetrating grout sealer. The floor is a little dark too because that's the last thing we sealed. We also, as you can see, we ripped out the caulk and we replaced all the caulk. So it's nice and even now. We're going to let this dry. We always recommend letting a shower dry for about 48 hours. The sealer will dry and be good after about 24, but the caulk, we want to give it a little bit more time. So 48 hours, you'll be good to go use this shower again. Thanks for watching.